In this video, we will introduce the FA-1616 interface and Web GUI. First, let us introduce the interface of the FA-1616 HB12G used in this video. Input-output connectors are arranged alternately as one group of 4 connectors. The left 2 of each connector group have 12G SDI connectors. Use these 2 ports when using single link 4K or dual link 4K, 6G x2. Here is reference signal input-output port. Black burst, tri-sync are supported. This slot is for video over IP interface, various audio interfaces, and GPI interface options. These are the standard 10-pin GPI port and the LTC input-output port. Do not connect anything to the USB-C port as it is used for maintenance. 3 LAN ports are provided. LAN 1 is a port for FA-1616 main system such as Web GUI. LAN 2AB are ports for NMOS control. This is enabled when the MoIP option is installed. Next, connect to the Web GUI. Connect LAN 1 of FA-1616 to a PC with an Ethernet cable. Connection can be made via hub or directly. The default IP address is 192.168.0.10. Set the IP address of the PC to the same network as the FA-1616. Launch a web browser on your PC and enter the IP address of FA-1616 in the address bar of your browser. Microsoft Edge and Google Chrome are recommended for web browsers. The following is a description of the Web GUI screen configuration. In connection, the model name and IP address of the FA-1616 are displayed. In menu bar, all menus can be listed. In some menus, you can open subsettings for each. In shortcut, the name of the menu to jump to is displayed in a pop-up window when you move the mouse pointer over each icon. In the insert menu, status lamps for fan, power supply, temperature and a message when an error occurs are displayed. In the block diagram, settings can be changed while checking the signal processing flow in the FA-1616. Clicking on each block will take you to the settings menu. The block diagram of the menu is divided into 3 major blocks: input block, processor block, and output block. The processor block is divided into 2 blocks, Block A and Block B. These can be assigned different functional configurations for each block according to the user's needs. Block A and Block B can have the same functional configuration, or Block A can be configured as a basic frame synchronizer, color corrections, audio processor, and Block B can be configured as a UHD-HD down converter and HDR-SDR converter.